Guess what we're gonna do today? Today we're gonna do martinis. Yeah! I'm feeling really great with all the coffee in me. We're gonna do a little bit more coffee. So first we're gonna put some ice in the shaker. Put some ice in the shaker so that we can shake, shake, shake. Okay, we got enough ice, and then we're going to use coffee from Panama Joe. Really good coffee. So it's 25, whoops, 25 vodka with espresso, which is from Italy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. One, and then, so then we have 50, 25, and 25. And then the espresso Baileys, we do 50 milliliters of that. Okay? So we're going to go 150. If it ever comes out. Yes, it comes out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. There we go. So it's a really easy recipe, especially if you like coffee. And then we put it all in the shaker. And then we shake it up. Woohoo! Shake, 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 shake. Preferably with some music. Do you know any music? ¿Tú conoces música? ¿Sí? Ta 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 ta. So we're going to shake it up. Make sure you follow Jump Chef, subscribe. Ta, 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 ta. And then we just pour it in the martini glasses. 1, 2. This should make 2. 2 really good ones. And you can garnish it with a little bit of coffee from Panama Joe. So we're going to open this thing, this bag, and we're going to put some beans in there. Oh, these are the best beans. They've just been roasted last week. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So, this is how you have breakfast. Daniela, would you like one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to have one right now. So cheers. Oh, breakfast of champions. So stay tuned. Next week, we're going to have a brand new show. I don't know what I'm going to make, but it'll be another type of martini. I don't know. We'll see. But these are the main things that you need. And the coffee, which is really important, Panama Joe coffee. There you go. All the best. Have a great week. Make sure you subscribe.